Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. And through this channel, I'll be providing some stock analysis and a quick update on the $1 Million Challenge. So if anybody's not aware of this, this is a journey of an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategy called compound return investing. So the objective is to try to get 201 trades, each with an average return of 3.5%. We do take into account losses and it's not 201 consecutive trades. So for further in-depth detail with regard to strategy and how to join us in the challenge, details are in the description below. In the previous video, we provided an important stock update for ticker symbol MULN, Mullen Automotive. So please refer back to the previous video for updates on MULN. We also did an update on ticker symbol MMTLP. So please refer back to the previous video for details of MMTLP. In today's video, we're going to be covering updates for MULN and also for HYMC, as well as a quick update for ticker symbol MMTLP. So let's start by having a quick shout out to Chad, who's tweeted here with regard to the update that has been promised by George, and he says, hey, and he's tagged in George, hey at Palikaris, are we still expecting an update this month on the Series A preferred shares? So we have been given a date by George, and the date was basically before the end of March 2022. So we're looking at 2 days counting. So 2 days to announcement of news. So having looked at George's Twitter, again, still no tweets. He has gone quite quiet recently. So no tweets, no responses, no retweets, nothing. So again, it's all down to speculation now. So I am going to make a prediction, and the prediction is I do believe we're going to get news. Many people are suggesting there will be no news before the 31st, but I do expect the company to keep that promise, so give us an announcement. However, I do think this announcement may not be until the very last minute, and unfortunately I don't think there is going to be a payment coming soon, but we should get a timeline. We should get some further details, and George has also promised a presentation, but I think what everybody wants is best value as quick as possible. I'd like to now provide an update for ticker symbol HYMC. This is a stock that has not been previously featured on the channel. However, this has been featured on a number of occasions in the Discord. It has also been called in the Discord, so it was also called this week. So if you have a look at a copy of our weekly watch list, which is revealed exclusively for Discord members on the Sunday before start of trading on the Monday, you'll see further down here we called Nile. That's just up over the previous 5 days 16%. We also called out TRLY, that's up in excess of 37% over the previous 5 days. MULN, I'm sure you know about, that is a squeeze stock that has been going up. It is going through a period of consolidation right now, potentially a good buying opportunity there, so certainly want to keep an eye out. We also called out SNDL with regard to the news in cannabis, and that over the previous 5 days is up in excess of 16%. MU earnings is due fairly soon, and that's also been called out, and that's also up just in excess of 5%. That's more of a blue chip stock. And the stock we're going to look at now, HYMC. So again, it's had a huge run up, but it's also up in excess of 81% over the previous 5 days. And I'm going to share with you a copy of our watch list from on the screen here. You'll see this is from the 13th of March 2022. This was when we first called out HYMC before obviously the stronger run-ups, and we can see at the top there in our watch list, which is available to the exclusive to the Discord members, we stated here that this is a potential high risk squeeze stock with a low float, and again it was exploding due to the gold price and also heading towards record high. So let's have a look at the latest developments for HYMC. So I'm going to start by having a look at the 5-day chart for HYMC. So over the previous 5 days, this stock is up, as we just said, in excess of 81%. Approximately 5 days ago, this was trading just around about $1.30. And at one point, we can see this did go actually in excess of $3. So that would have been a huge return there. From that high of $3, it has come down at one point just below $2.20. But close of play today at time of editing, it's all up in excess of 11.64%. closing at $2.59. So again, potential, still huge potential room in this stock to move up, and also known as Hycroft Mining Holding Corporation. I'd like to now share an article here from March 29, 2022. This is from Market Watch, and the headline here is that Hycroft Mining stock Memesta induced rocket ride is making an AMC a lot of money. So there is a link here, very strong link with AMC. So we're going to delve a little bit deeper into what this link is, and we can see further down, value of AMC's equity stake in the gold and silver miner of less than $30 million has increased by nearly $70 million in 2 days. So that is more than a 100% increase. Let's have a look at the further information with regard to this article. So delving deeper into the article, we can see that this significant new investment from AMC Entertainment Holdings is helping to give the stock a new meme status. So similar to what's happened previously that we've seen with AMC. So the stock was up, we just saw, in excess of 11.6% today. Also up in excess of 33.6% in the intraday. And we're looking at significant gains over the previous 5 days as well. So again, in terms of AMC, further down we can see that AMC is also up recently. So we have seen in the market and a significant number of stocks which are heavily shorted going up. And in the final paragraph we can see that AMC wanted to do with the $1.8 billion war chest that it's accumulated by cashing in on the meme stock frenzy, and it has boosted the stock price quite significantly. So in terms of Hycroft, Aaron has said that the MC found a company with great assets in gold and silver, and that was suffering from a cash squeeze just like AMC. So again, great news here for HYMC. I'd like to now share a tweet from Hycroft Mining, and what they have done here in their tweet is they've called out a quotation from the AMC CEO, Adam Aaron, and on the tweet here we can see that the company have stated, "We love seeing AMC and HYMC together in the morning. While our industries may differ, our drive to survive and thrive is the same." So AMC know the future is golden and silver, and this was a great interview with first CNBC, looking at speaking to the AMC Entertainment CEO with regard to the Hycroft Mining deal. So great exposure for the company here, and again a great momentum we're seeing in the share price for HYMC. Significant amount of profits have been made here, so congratulations and well done to everybody who managed to get in this stock and also are still trading in this stock. Finally, I had to finish off by looking at the latest developments with regard to MULN. Again, MULN is also a stock, Mullen Automotive, that has been featured on a number of occasions on the channel, including in our watch list for the Discord members. But on the screen here, you'll be able to see the article that we want to look at today is from Investor Place, and we can see the headline here is here's why auto insiders are hoping Mullen Automotive fails. So this is a new wild player in the EV market, and the stock has lit up the leaderboard. However, if this stock is going to succeed, it's going to raise serious questions about the EV market, and there's a suggestion here that investors should proceed with skepticism. And delving down into the article, I'm going to focus on the second paragraph here, and the key concern for many other companies in the EV sector is basically this stock is right now it's soaring. The EV market is potentially going to go through a huge boom very, very soon. With regard to this upstart, the EV maker could dramatically disrupt the automotive sector. It could also raise serious questions about the long-term viability of the market. So we're looking at in terms of the financials for the company, they are not a profit-making company. They are making a significant loss. We're looking at a loss of approximately 53% during the March 28th session. And that's the key theme there with regard to the financials. However, with regard to the stock is up in excess of 260%. So again, huge gains there, and that is probably based more on the low float, more on the short squeeze capability. However, the business fundamentals and the long-term potential are certainly very, very good and very positive, and many people have also called this stock as the future Tesla, and potentially investing at this right now as a penny stock, but in the future this could be also potentially triple figures. And the final part of the article, again at the top, the headline here is, "On paper, MULN stock is incredible." So I'm just going to jump to the final part here, with regard to the quotation, and the quotation at the bottom is that Mullen has factories to build its electric SUV crossover. So please refer back to the previous video with regard to information about production. I also shared with you in the previous video details of the YouTube channel for Mullen, where you can see in terms of the cars and the vehicles that they have. So the Mullen 5, with the deliveries expected to begin in the second quarter of 2024. The 5 has a 325 mile range and a limited top speed of 155 miles per hour, so that's quite staggering. We're looking at a price of approximately $55,000, so that's not too bad. It is competitively priced, however costly enough that high-income buyers won't be put off by the price. So overall, a potential great future here. Finally, if anybody would like to get advanced notification of stocks such as MULN, HYMC, and also ticker symbol INDO, that was also called out in advance in the Discord, you can join for as little as $9 a month. Details are in the description below, and as we are near to the end of the month, your second payments are always taken on the first of the month, and the second payment will be refunded, so no reason to delay joining. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.